In the weather app, they said that it was going to snow really much and it was going to be a snowstorm. There was so much snow that there were 400 cars that got stuck on the highway. The weather app showed that we were on the orange area, which meant we only could go out if it was an emergency. It snowed a lot, like not just a bit, a lot. Our neighbor had a machine that would get rid of the snow very easily. Wow! There was people trying to use their car, but it was pretty hard and there was 3 cars that got stuck only on our street. Who knows how many other cars got stuck that day? The snow here was nothing compared to how it was going to get. This was nothing. It was snowing all night. It didn't stop, even in the morning. Well, at least Jonathan was happy, and I think many other kids, but not their parents. If you want to see how much snow there was, wait until the end. On the weather forecast, they said it would snow 70 centimeters. Maybe even more. This was how it looked before we went to bed. After I woke up, this is what I saw.